take over. Kami na muna ni Lakisha ang mag-vlog dito sa channel ni Daddy dahil birthday ni Daddy at wala siyang plano. So, ang naisip ko, Lakisha will control Daddy's birthday. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you greet Daddy? It's Daddy's birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. Mwah.
Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy! So, meron akong mga print dito. Yan, ng mga options. At papipiliin natin si Lakisha kung anong gusto niyang gawin sa birthday ng daddy niya. Ayan. So, nandun siya sa labas, nakaupo. Puntahan natin siya. Daddy!
Daddy, it's your birthday.
Yes, it's Daddy's birthday. Hi, you're so beautiful. Ba't kayo nagbablog?
Ha?
Ba't kayo nagbablog?
Kasi, meron akong naisip na gawin today. Ito, oh. Tada!
Lakisha controls Daddy's birthday?
Yeah.
What? Really?
Lakisha ang magkakontrol ng birthday mo, Daddy, dahil wala kang plano. Ito na lang papiliin natin.
Sige, para makagawa tayo ng memories kasama sila. Lumalaki na to eh.
Tama.
Kisha, I have surprise for you. This one, oh. Look, 1, 2, 3, for you. Ano? So, meron tayo ditong steak or street foods para sa birthday celebration. Ulo ko. Opo, paano pag pinili nila Kisha yung street foods, kakain tayo sa mga kanto lang.
Oo, syempre.
Pero kapag steak, wow! Masarap ang kain natin sa labas.
Madali lang naman yan. Food, stay, transpo, at saka activity.
Sige, maganda yan ha.
Game?
Game. Game, Kisha. Because you're so beautiful, I will let you control Daddy's birthday. It's either we're gonna be in the boat ride today or magko-commute. Ikaw na bahala. Okay, let's do this, Mami.
Okay, the first one is, what are we gonna eat? Food. Is it steak or street foods? What do you want?
Saan?
Magaling pa
Ano ba to? Parang naturuan. Galing,
Okay, next one is our stay. Is it day tour or overnight? Choose one.
Ang galing talaga, ha? Guys, palakpakan natin si Kisha. Naturuan. Ang galing, oh.
Uy! Promise we're
Walang turo.
Wala talaga.
Oh my God, mo.
Ngayon niya lang nakikita to. So the next one is, what activity are we gonna do? Are we gonna swim? Or you want to ride the boat? Alright, which one do you want?
I want to swim and ride the boat.
Okay, next one is,
Dito
what
na.
are we going to ride going there? Is it Daddy's sports car or we will commute?
Di ba?
Ay, Daddy's sports
Okay!
car.
Si Daddy tsaka si Kisha ay magbabiyahe gamit ang roofless na sports car. Kisha, ready here. You chose this, right? Ay, sus, antok pa. Okay, so babiyahe na tayo gamit itong Porsche. So, naka-ready na si Kisha there. Kiss Daddy first. Love you. Are you ready to go?
Let's go now.
Okay, you're a watermelon baby.
Daddy, we can go to the park like Mommy.
Okay, say bye house.
Bye now.
Actually, first time to na sobrang maaraw sa birthday ko. Kasi laging kapag ka-birthday ko, ang lakas ng ulan. Hey, happy birthday, ba? Yeah. I love you so much. Guys, yung mga magician natin, no, ito yung mga kaya mga ganda yung mga videos natin dahil sa dalawan to. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Okay. Mommy is behind. There. Look, oh. Mommy is there, oh. Behind.
Don't you wanna get away? Don't you wish that you could play?
Kala niya hindi namin kasama. Seatbelt na, okay. Safety. Okay, finish.
Daddy, look.
Don't you wanna
There?
take a ride?
Daddy,
Don't
look.
you wish
There's a
that you could
camera
feel?
Naman over there?
Oh, let the wind
I got
through
you
your
on me
open
too.
hair. What a
Okay, you got that?
Baho. See, Daddy.
Now we're breaking free. Watching you look green and we can't go back. Now
flying boat there. Can you see that? Keisha, what happened? Are you scared? But this is what you want. You want us to ride in a sports car, right? Say bye-bye, boat.
Bye, flying boat.
Bye-bye. See you later. So, punta na tayo sa beach and sa hotel para punta na tayo sa...
It's too hot.
Oh, it's too hot. Okay. Isasarado na natin yung bubong, okay? Daddy will close the roof. Magic!
We're here. Okay, let's go now.
Hi!
Mami, ngayon na lang sila magkakasya eh. Dapat tayo sa Porsche sports car. Kasya pa sila sa ngayon. Pero sa mga susunod na taon, hindi na.
Hi!
It's open it. Lucas, look! It's roofless! Wow!
Every day we say that things is hard. Still we better than plenty abroad. Earthquake come on.
Hello!
Hi! Hello!
Wala talaga akong plano sa birthday ko ngayon. Pero dahil kay Baby Lakeisha, siya daw magpaplano ng birthday ko. Kaya, tara na!
Pumili ka na ng boat. Ang daming boat dito.
Okay, Isha! Yeah! Let's go!
Feel it like a rhythm that hit that change. With double time and forward, I love the way you look like someone to burn like a fire.
Pag bata ka talaga, dadaan ka sa ganyan eh. No? Yung ayaw mo matakpan, ayaw mo madaan yung mga linya. Finally! Andito na tayo sa beach! Say hi, monkey! Okay, so andito na yung bangka natin para mag-sail sa dagat. First time to ng isang buong pamilya. Wala, pinili ni Keisha to eh. Gusto niyang mag-bonding kami sa boat. Kasi minamanifest ni Daddy. Alam niya na minamanifest ko na magkaroon tayo ng sariling bangka. Sana susunod. Mga ganyang kagandang bangka oh. Grabe. Nakaka-bless. Parang ang sarap pumili. Keisha, ito yung gusto mo, di ba? Ito na, sasakay na tayo ng bangka. Okay, come to Daddy. Here. Go! Oops! Mami, oh! Ginawa natin tulay yung jet ski, Keisha. Okay, good job. Ngayon si Lucas. Nasashock sa mga nangyayari, oh. This is Keisha's fault, okay? Not Daddy's fault. It's your fault, okay? Because you want to ride the boat, right? And we will ride the boat.
Ang gulo ng boat.
Mommy, we're gonna ride the boat now.
Yes! Let's go!
I want to
Kahapon, namimili lang si Keisha kung magbo-boat ride ba kami o magsiswimming lang dun sa bahay. Ngayon, nandito na tayo. Ang ganda, grabe. First time to na mag-boat ride tayo ng pamilya. Keisha, you like it here?
Yeah.
Just enjoy it, okay?
Let me take a minute just to make it clear. There's a beautiful complexity in you, my dear. And every single layer that I see makes me want you more. Can resolutely say
Nagko-concentrate sa kinakabahan eh.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
I love you.
Daddy, Daddy, love you.
Nakaka-bless dahil masyashowcase ko at mapapakita ko sa inyo yung simpleng celebration kasama yung family. Pero dahil si Carlene tsaka si Lakeisha, gusto nila magkaroon kami ng time together. Alam mo, kahit anong tambak ng mga trabaho, isi-set aside ko talaga yun. Kasi, syempre mas importante yung oras natin kasama yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Hindi natin tatanggihan ng blessings, embrace at yayakapin natin yan. Kaya ngayon, enjoy natin itong speedboat ride! Pinili ni Keisha.
Hey, hey, Dad. Mommy, there's so many fish.
So many fish there, Keisha! You like those fish? You wanna swim there?
Let's say, let's jump, Daddy! Jump, Daddy! Daddy! Look, Daddy! Look, Daddy! Come on!
Okay.
Luto
Okay, Kisha, this is for you.
Hoy! Hoy!
Okay. Start it, Kisha.
1, 2, 3, go!
Bahala na to.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Been out there on
Daddy, jump already!
Good job, Daddy.
Ang pangit nung front flip ko eh. Bakit? Dulas ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Raise a glass, you've made it another year.
1,
Happy
2,
birthday. Have a laugh, crack a smile, even shed a tear.
There's fish! Go, 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 go to mommy!
Your birthday. Pop the cork for the flute, make a wish and
1,
get to count the candles. Now we celebrate with cheers. Raise a glass to another year. Raise a glass, it's time to have some fun. Happy birthday, yellow cake.
Oh, mami, go up na. Go up na, mami.
Around the sun.
Ay, huwag kasi. Kabit mo naman dito eh.
Coffee or tea,
Kisha,
sugar.
mami cannot go up because of you.
Hey, I want to go up also! Okay, okay. Oh, sorry.
Okay, sorry. I'm really sorry. Not like that. Can't stand alone.
Sorry po.
Sorry.
Look the monkey! Look at the monkey!
Kisha, how's your first boat ride?
Daddy, it's so much fun.
Wow, you're so happy.
Happy.
If Kisha's
Daddy,
happy,
I'm going to go to the dragon boat.
oh, you're going to go. Mami, pupunta daw siya sa dragon boat. Ano ba yan? Kisha, daddy's happy because you're happy, okay?
Okay.
You like this dragon boat?
Daddy, it looks like a dragon donut.
What do you mean? A dragon donut? Ano dragon donut? It's a dragon boat, not a donut.
No,
What?
it's a dragon donut.
Okay, you wanna ride this next time? You never experienced it before, but maybe next time, okay?
Hi, guys.
Ikaw talaga, Lucas. Kanina wala kang energy, meron na siya ngayon. Kisha.
Hi,
You-
guys.
Hoy, ikaw talaga. Dapat mami, naka-ano tayo eh. Street food dito, sa karko lang tayo kakain.
Eh, yun ang gusto niya eh.
Wow. Is that your favorite, Kisha? You like that?
I like that.
What do you call that?
Stick.
Wow, steak. O sige, ikaw magbayad niyan, ha?
Daddy?
Ayan, meron na tayo dito ng dalawang steak for finisher ng birthday celebration. And so far, gusto kong pasalamatan ng aking mga mag-ina sa likod ko. Dahil sinamahan nila ako sa walang plano kong birthday na nagkaroon ng kulay. Sarap na ng kain ng bata. Wow, sarap na sarap. Ano pa bang sorpresa ang hinihanda niyo sa akin?
Wait, there's more. Yay! Happy birthday to you! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Daddy! We love you!
Ba't ikaw birthday mo? And there's a fireworks. You want to hear a fireworks?
Yeah.
So,
Bastos.
Bastos! You're bastos!
Daddy.
sorry, I thought there's a fireworks there. Ate, sorry po. Ang lakas ka, hindi ko makinig.
Daddy, are you laughing?
Yes.
Of course he's laughing.
Sarap ng ano pala, nga pala bestseller yun ah. Yung, yung akala kong walang plano at magiging simpleng birthday lang. Naging sobrang ganda pala.
Your year! I cannot
Not,
see.
not Happy New Year. It's Happy Birthday.
Happy New Year!
Pang-away pa nga. So, ito na yung pinakahuling gusto ni Kisha. Dapat day tour lang. Pero pinili niya yung overnight stay. At yan, yun yung gusto nila eh. Magkulitan, mag-banding. Actually, first time na namin talaga. Seryoso to ha. Seryoso. Guys, no joke. First time na namin mag-out of town na nag-hotel kami ng kami lang. No? Yan yun. Talagang disaster, no? Pero kita nyo kung gano'n gulo. Yan yung talagang hanap-hanapin natin. Seryoso.
What's up, guys?
Ano, mami, sira yung baterya. Ano? Mami, i-charge na yan. I-charge na. Sobrang lobat na yan. Ano ko? Guys, ito yun. Ito yung hindi ko makakalimutang memories. Salamat dahil sumama kayo sa masayang kaarawan na ginanap natin. Guys, labos puso kong nagpapasalamat sa itaas dahil siya... Aray ko! Alam mo yun, yung ganitong mga moments hindi ko ito makakalimutan kasi kasama natin yung pamilya at wala dapat mauna kahit anumang mga ibang bagay yan. Ito dapat ang nauuna. Pamilya dapat. Thank you, Mami at Baby Kisha because
Happy birthday, Daddy!
you guys made this so special!
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Say good night to the demo. Good night, everybody. I love you. Everybody. We will pray and thank Papa Jesus. It's evening. Okay guys, let's pray na. Go to sleep. Let's go. Is there John? Good night, everybody. See you.
Good night, everybody. And Daddy.
Hoy, not Daddy Baho. It's Lucas. Galo! Guys, tulog, pinupog po ko! Kala ko ba matutulog na tayo pag nag-isuntukan to?
Daddy, Pogi, wake up, chores.
Guys, good night everybody!
Good night, everybody. Baho, si Daddy. Daddy, baho.
Nag-GG ako sa mga to. Yari ako sa asaran.
I got welcome to Mommy's channel. Happy New
Oh, quiet lang muna.
Mommy's channel.
Quiet lang muna, quiet lang.
Welcome to Lucas channel.
Quiet lang muna. Okay.
Happy New Year.
Ano, paano ko makapag-voice over ng ano?
Happy New Year.
Okay, game. 3, 2, 1, rolling.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year,
Hirap.
June na!
Happy New